Where every micron matters, precision becomes power. Introducing Sineo by Sigma Laser. Winner of the German Design Award 2025. An honor earned through innovation and creative excellence in industrial design. Founded in Frankfurt in 2005, Sigma Laser was born with a vision to redefine laser welding through ergonomic design, engineering precision, and relentless efficiency. A steady vision has guided Sigma Laser from day one. Now proudly holding the German Design Award 2025, Sineo stands as proof of what happens when form, function, and innovation align, a future-forward harmony of technology, performance, aesthetics, and sustainability. This is no ordinary award. Selected by an independent international jury, the German Design Award honors designs that shape the future, across industries, disciplines, and generations, where innovation meets purpose and excellence. Sineo is more than a machine. It's a rethinking of the laser welding experience. Compact, intuitive, powerful. Engineered for professionals who demand perfection. From proprietary superpulse technology to the TLC system, every detail is designed to lead. With SigoMax, precision is always in your hands. Trusted by over 1,000 companies worldwide, Sigma Laser is where design meets trust and innovation means independence.
From day one, our goal was clear: to build machines that place precision, power, and design at the service of professionals. Sineo shows what's possible when aesthetics and advanced technology come together, an experience that brings trust and innovation into the heart of industry. This award is not just an honor, it's a responsibility, a commitment to continue a path defined by quality, human-centered design, and industrial independence. At Sigma Laser, we believe in redefining laser welding for today and for the future.
Sigma Laser, redefining what's possible in laser welding.